in his entrepreneurship journey, you gotta be your biggest advocate. Like, you gotta be so confident in what you're building that you kind of delusional. Like, you gotta be crazy about it. I remember back in 2017, I said that I want to build like the Ring doorbell you have for your house security system. I want to build that for your vehicle. I want to build that for your car. Ring doorbell for your car. People laughed at me. People said they didn't believe that. And then I saw, this is 2017, I said that. I actually went to a lawyer to see if I can get a patent. I didn't have the money to pursue it, so I left it alone. But then I saw in 2020, Tesla and Amazon come out with a partnership saying, we're building a Ring car loan. I'm thinking to myself, if these billionaires and billion-dollar company are building this product, why the hell am I not investing in it? So I started to build. This is the mobile app and how the Car Kenny app looks. It's kind of going fast, but as you can see here,